Innovative College of Professional Studies Private Limited is offering UKQ Level 4 Certificate in Accounting and Bookkeeping. Invest in an accounting career with this qualification. This course will teach you the foundations and skills to be able to prepare financial reports, accounts, and ledgers, operational budgets and business activity statements by applying the required accounting principles and practices used in this growing industry. Other skills you will gain during your studies will include how to use essential industry tools and programs to establish and maintain a payroll system, process financial transactions and extract interim reports. You will also develop the practical ability to be able to process manual and computerized accounts receivable, accounts payable, and general ledger items. Prepare financial reports. Introduce cloud computing into business operations. Process financial transactions and extract interim reports. Administer subsidiary accounts and ledgers. Work effectively in the accounting and bookkeeping industry. Set up and operate a computerized accounting system. Complete business activity and installment activity statements. Establish and maintain payroll systems. Design and produce business documents. Design and produce spreadsheets. Write simple documents. Perform financial calculations. Prepare operational budgets. Payroll clerk. Bookkeeper. Finance team leader. Accounts supervisor. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ, Limited will work to become the awarding body of choice for all education and specially in occupational health and safety at all levels. To promote education in every field of life and to support professional education, training, and strong employment skills. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ, Limited values guide our actions through our work. Performance. We strive to succeed in all our endeavors and deliver excellence through education. Partnership. We work in collaboration to be innovative and find solutions to shared issues. Be open and honest at all times. Professionalism. We remain objective and professional at all times, acting with integrity in an ethical way, treating everyone with respect. Passion. We are passionate in all endeavors, working and communicating for the benefit of our stakeholders. The qualification is designed to be flexible in its delivery to accommodate part-time and distance learning. The qualification is delivered face-to-face, through lectures, tutorials, seminars, distance, online by approved centers only. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by the center and externally verified by UKQ. The qualifications are criterion referenced, based on the achievement of all the specified learning outcomes. Learners must complete all units and pass the appropriate mark to receive the full diploma award. UKQ will issue certificates to all successful students through the registered centers. It is based on the average percentage mark, APM, or, at the discretion of UKQ, on the basis of your overall profile and performance subject to the minimum requirements. For detailed information, contact us on +92336 590 9194 or email at info@icpstudies.com.pk and visit our website www.icpstudies.com.pk.